barko nila, and yet, pinalarga pa rin nila. Pinapalaot pa rin nila. Alam nila na dapat mag-retire na yung barko nila dahil 31 years old na. And yet, pinalaot pa rin nila. 30 lang, alam mo naman yan, di ba? Dapat 30 lang. After 30 years, yung barko, yung steel hull, dapat pinag-retire, which they did not. Criminal case dapat.
Opo, Your Honor.
Go.
And we will follow the evidences, sir, and
Yes,
we will file. Yes.
follow the pieces of evidence. But after the investigation, it is very clear na meron talagang criminal liability itong Allison. And mind you, since 2019, tagtad ng disgrasya itong mga barko ng Allison Shipping. 42 incidents, maritime incidents, na involve itong Allison. 42. Ilan? Oh, 32, excuse me, 32 since 2019. So talagang very clear na pabaya ito sila. Time and time again, pinapayagan nilang mag-sail yung kanilang mga barko knowing na hindi dapat sapagkat they're not seaworthy. At tuloy-tuloy ang kanilang kapabayaan, kaya tuloy-tuloy ang disgrasya.